ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ, it's a very interesting topic and yet ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਮਜ਼ਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਨੇ. It's about winning and losing. What does Kabir Saab say about a winner and a loser? कि कौन सचमुच जितदा है ते कौन हारदा है. We play a lot of games. We play hockey, badminton, rugby, tennis. We play a lot of games. And everybody likes to win. Everybody likes to win. Nobody likes to lose. Any game we play, anything we do in life, we like to win. We all like to win. But winning can be different for different people. What winning means, it can be different for different people. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਨਾ, ਜਿੱਤ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿੱਤ ਦੀ ਪਰਿਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਇਹ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ. ਕਈਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, for some people winning means ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ winning means having a kid. ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ winning means having education. ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਜੌਬ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ winning means getting a job. ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਲ PR ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ winning means getting a PR, getting a citizenship. ਕਈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਹੁਦੇ ਦੇ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, the people who are very status conscious, for them winning means getting respect from people. Some people, winning means being healthy for them. So the point, the definition of winning is different for everybody. I want you to pay attention because inevitably we are all playing a game. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੇਮ ਦੇ ਹਿੱਸੇਦਾਰ ਆ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਨਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ. So there is going to be an exercise that I'm going to be asking to all of you to do tonight. Even I will do tonight before we go to bed. I know after saying this some people will not bother, but I hope after listening to what I've got to say and share today that you will think about it. So the point that I was just stressing just now is that meaning of winning. What is a win? ਜਿੱਤਣ ਦੀ ਪਰਿਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ different ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. Not only it's different, it can be different at different times. The definition of a win, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਰਿਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਤ ਦੀ, ਇਹ ਸਮੇਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਦਲ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ. Because what, for somebody who doesn't have an education today, for him winning means having an education. But when he has an education, he wants something else. So for him winning will be if he has that. So winning, first of all, the definition of winning, paribhasha, winning the paribhasha different hundi hai. They in different junctures in life, zindagi te mode, different mode ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਪਰਿਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਵੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Now let me draw your attention to something that is going on at this point of time in life. COVID-19. COVID-19 ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ? What is winning in COVID-19? ਥੋੜਾ ਸੋਚੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ. Wonderful. Winning in COVID-19 means staying alive. Winning in COVID-19 means making sure that the people that you love, they are safe. Winning in COVID-19 means staying away, being healthy, bottom line, staying alive, as somebody who just said just now. The point that I'm trying to narrate, the definition of winning changes today at where we stand. For some people, the definition may be staying alive, but for some people it is not that yet. ਕਈਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ staying alive is winning for them. Recently somebody shared WhatsApp, ਸਾਡੇ WhatsApp group ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ different people have a different definition of winning and in different times in life the definition of winning changes. It's sort of a joke. I don't know how far this is true, ਪਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ WhatsApp ਤੇ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ save the economy, don't worry too much about the people, ਤੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ save the people, don't worry too much about the economy. I don't know how far this is true, but surprisingly I thought, and that little thing also said that, you know, they were a bit surprised because they thought that in India people don't value lives and they value lives more in America. But nevertheless, the point that I'm trying to point out here is that for India the win is to keep people alive, for America the win is to keep the economy alive. So my question to you at this point of time, I'll ask this question again at the end of the session. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਹਾਂ, at this point of time, what is winning for you? I want you to stop and think about this, because I'm going to share a few things which might change the definition of winning for some people, but some unfortunate people it won't. So I'm going to stop now for 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I want you to close your eyes and ask yourself, at this point of time, what is your definition of winning? ਕਿ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਵਿਨ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਿਨ ਦੀ ਪਰਿਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ? Please, this is about your life. This is about you. Please try to think and answer this for yourself. For those who haven't, I know some, ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ, but nevertheless, let's come back. About a week ago, I shared something. ਗੱਲ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, what is win? ਕਈਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ win ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? And we talked about staying alive is winning for some people at this point of time in COVID. I shared something in the WhatsApp group about 1.5 weeks ago, 1 week ago. This guy called Antonio Pierre, a Portuguese billionaire. He was a president in the bank in Portugal. Now what is winning for him? Listen. Unfortunately, he didn't realize what winning was supposed to be until the moment of his death, I think. His daughter writes, she wrote in a social media, she said, we are a very wealthy family. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਮੀਰ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅਮੀਰ ਹੈ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਸੀ, ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਧਨ ਦੌਲਤ ਹੈ. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਫਾਦਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਂਟੋਨੀਓ ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਕਹਿੰਦੀ when he died, he passed away alone. ਕੱਲਾ ਮਰਿਆ, suffocating, ਹੌਕੇ ਲੈ ਲੈ ਕੇ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਵਾਸ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ, ਸਵਾਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ. He was looking for something. ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ, he was looking for something which is free. And you know what that is? Air, hawa. She says, all the money stayed at home. All the money did not matter anymore. At that point of time, what really mattered was the breath, the air that he was taking in. So what do you think his definition of winning would have been at that time? सोचो, एडा अमीर बंदा है, होके ले रहा है, श्वास ले रहा है, श्वास नहीं ले जाते, वो श्वास जिहड़े हैगे ने फ्री ने, मतलब वो जिहड़ी हवा फ्री है, श्वास नहीं फ्री, हवा फ्री है. सारी उम्र उन्हें इन्ना कुछ कीता, इकट्ठा कीता, इन्नी धन दौलत इकट्ठी कीती. अखीर दे समय ते ओदी कुड़ी कहंदी है, ਜਦੋਂ ਮਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਕੱਲਾ ਮਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਸਿਸਕ ਕੇ ਮਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ. That's how he died. I'm going to ask you the same question again the second time. Imagine that you were him. ਰੱਬ ਨਾ ਕਰੇ. Imagine you were him. Or I imagine, Swaran Singh imagines that he was Antonio Pierre. COVID last moment breathing. A very rich man. Imagine if that was you gasping for air. What do you think winning would have been for you at that point of time? Having many houses? Having cars? What people thought of you? Looking good? What do you think at that point of time winning could have been for you? What winning would have meant for you? Unfortunately, only a dying man knows what real winning is. Unfortunately, only a dying man knows what winning is. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਮਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ, ਕੇਵਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ। ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੌਤ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, that moment, ਉਦੋਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੌਮੈਂਟ ਜਮਦੂਤ ਖੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ, ਹਿਸਾਬ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ, only then he knows that I've been playing a game and I was not playing it consciously. If I had played the game consciously, I would have won. Kabir Sahib reminds us and tells us, Kabir Sahib ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਤਾ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਸੁਣੋ, ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ? Kabir Sahib ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ what winning is. Listen to what Kabir ji says. Kabir says, ਜਨਮ ਪਦਾਰਥ ਜੀਤ ਅਮੂਲੇ। ਜਨਮ ਪਦਾਰਥ ਜੀਤ ਅਮੂਲੇ। ਉਹ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੈ? ਸੁਣੋ। ਕਬੀਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕੇ ਸੇਸ, ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗ ਜਾਂ ਕੋ ਹਰ ਰੰਗ ਲਾਗਾ, ਧਨ ਧਨ ਸੋਜਨ ਪੁਰਖ ਸਬਾਗਾ। Kabir Sahib says that real winning, he's going to explain why. Why so? It is easy for me to say, or you will say, oh, I've heard that before. Like a lot of young people say, yes, I know the answer, I've heard that before. That's it, and Sangat, and that's how, Now Kabir Sahib will say why that matters in the Shabad later, which I'll share with you. Kabir Sahib says, Saad Sang Janko Har Rang Laga, Jeda Banda Sangat vich baith ke Vaheguru Vaheguru karda hai, Allah Allah karda hai, Ram Ram karda hai. Just to share something with you. We have got one or two non-Sikhs who actually come for these sessions as well. I've noticed some people coming in who are non-Sikhs. I have also been requested to do some Simran on Allahu and Ram as well. Sadhguru Kirpa Khan. Harida Naam Japna hai. We want to remember God. Different people do it in different ways. Let's come back. Kabir Sahib kehndे ne, ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗ ਜਾਂਕੋ ਹਰ ਰੰਗ ਲਾਗਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਸੰਗਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਣ ਕੇ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਰੰਗ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਜਾਂਕੋ ਹਰ ਰੰਗ ਲਾਗੋ ਇਸ ਯੁਗ ਮੈਂ ਸੋ ਕਈਤ ਹੈ ਸੂਰਾ। ਕਬੀਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਣ ਕੇ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਦਾ ਤੇ ਹਰੀ ਹਰੀ ਜਪਦਾ ਹੈ, ਗੁਰੂ ਗੁਰੂ ਜਪਦਾ ਹੈ, ਅੱਲਾ ਅੱਲਾ ਜਪਦਾ ਹੈ, ਰਾਮ ਰਾਮ ਜਪਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹਰੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸੋ ਜਨ ਪੁਰਖ ਸਬਾਗਾ। ਗੁਰੂ ਸੇ ਕਬੀਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸੇ, ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਨਾ, he is a very lucky person. And you know what he says? He said, ਈਤ ਊਤ ਜਨ ਸਦਾ ਸੁਹੇਲੇ। Kabir Sahib says, that person will be happy in this world and the world after. And not only that, Kabir Sahib said, you know what has actually happened? Janam Padarth Jeet Amole. He has won the game of life. Kabir Sahib says, that is the person who has won the game of life. But you know something? We spend all our lives sleeping. Sleeping in the sense, sleeping in the cradle of Maya. ਮਾਇਆ ਦੇ ਪੰਗੂੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਕਬੀਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, ਜਾਗਤ ਸੋਇਆ ਜਨਮ ਗਵਾਇਆ। ਜਾਗਤ ਸੋਇਆ ਜਨਮ ਗਵਾਇਆ। Kabir Sahib says, you are awake and yet you are asleep. Why are you awake and yet why are you asleep? Why? Two things in one. Kabir Sahib says that you are awake and yet you are asleep because you are living unconsciously. You don't know what winning is. You have spent your time doing the wrong things, attaching yourself with the wrong things. Kabir Sahib says, Maal tan jorya paya paraya. Kabir Sahib says that even while living, while being awake, you were sleeping, because what you were doing, you were collecting the things that did not matter, the things that you would leave behind. Like the chairman of the bank, the president of the bank. Agge suno. But a lot of us, as I said just now, feel that we have that time. I am young. I still have that time. I'm not going to die. Some of us think that death is not going to come to us. A lot of us don't want to do the right thing. Kabir Sahib says, do the right thing and do it right. Kabir Sahib says, you have to win. And Kabir Sahib is going to tell us how, he's just told us how to win. Now he is going to tell us people who don't win, this is what happens to them. Kabir Sahib says, you will not get a second chance to play this game. You will have to play it right. But some of us think, we have the time ke saade kol sama hega, mauka hega. Until COVID hits us, hits our dear one. Or the moment we are going, that moment, as I said, only a dying man knows what real winning is. Now Kabir Sahib tells us in this Shabad, suno. Kabir Sahib says, you think you have time, you think nothing is going to happen to you. Kabir Sahib says, you're going to, one day, all of a sudden, Kabir Sahib says, Chal darhal, diwan bulaya. Chal darhal, diwan bulaya ki e bhai, tenu diwan sahab ne bulaya hai. And he's going to come to you without even telling you when he's coming. Har farman dargah ka aaya. He will say, the Diwan has called you. Dharmaraj has called you. Cheti chal. And then in Kabir Sahib says, Banda pata ki kehda hai? He tries to negotiate with death even at that point of time. He says, Karo ardas gav kich baki. You know, sometime when somebody dies, right, we will say, oh, the chote bacche ne, unhe bacche padhane si hali, unhe bachyan di shadi karauni si hali. He had so many things to do. And Kabir Sahib says, when that moment comes, the Jamdut stands in front of you without even telling you that he's coming. When it's going to happen, it will happen. He said that moment, man tries to negotiate with the Jamdut, saying that, Karo ardas gav kich baki. Hey Jamdut, oh the messenger of death, please listen to my benti. I have got things to do. Can you give me just another night? Ek aur raat mainu de do. Leo Nabera, Leo Naber, Aaj ki rati. All those things that I need to do now, I will finish it tonight. Give me another night. Karo ardas gav kich baki, Leo Naber, Aaj ki rati. I promise you, give me another night. I will finish it tonight. And then not only that, he even tells the Jamdut, Kich pi kharch tumhara saro. I will even pay your expenses. What is it you want from me? What is it you want from me? I'll pay these expenses as well. You just give me another night. And not only that, now he realizes that he can't do anything. He's telling the Jamdut, you know what? Subh nivaz sarai gujrao. I will get up in the morning. I will also pray tomorrow morning. We always think we have time for prayer. I will do it later. I will do it later. Kabir Sahib says, this is the only way you will win. He does ardas and tells the Jamdut, please give me another night. Let me finish. I need to finish what I need to finish. Joda kuch main makana mainu maka len do. Te svere utth ke na, main guru bhi karunga. Promise you. Jamdut कहता तेरी सारी उम्र नंगी तेनों मौका दिता सीगा. He says, you know what he says? चल हो सिताब दीवान बुलाया, चल हो सिताब के छेती चल, हुणे चल, हुणे चल. There is no more time for you. You had all the time in your life, but you did not do anything. Kabir Sahib says, when the time comes up, there's nothing we can do. So if we want to win, we'll have to start doing the right things from the beginning. Suhi Kabir Jiyo, Amal Sirano, Lekha Dena. Kabir says, your winning and losing is going to be based on one thing. Tera jada lekha na is going to be based on one thing, what you do. He says, Amal Sirano, jada tenu mauka ditta si na, Amal kam kara, jada teru kam vaste lang gaya hai. It's past. Passed by you already. Sirano means beat gaya. अमल जिहड़ा काम कार दा समा तैनूं दित्ता सीगा ये बीत गया. आए कठन दूत जम लेना, वो समा लंघ गया है. कठन बड़े सख्त जमदूत जिहड़े आए ने, वो तैनूं लैन आए ते पुछदे क्या तै खटिया कहा गवाया. वो फिर पुछदे ने तू दस, you were living for 56 years. Swaran Singh, you have been living for 56 years. You tell me, in the last 56 years, what did you do? Amarjot Singh, you've been living for 19 years. What did you do in your last 19 years? Veena Kaur, you've been living for X number of years. You tell me what you've been doing for X number of years. Amarpal Singh, you've been living for X number of years. You tell me what you've been doing for X number of years. Gurbani keeps telling us what is the real definition of winning. What does winning means? But we have our own definition of winning. We don't want to listen to Gurbani. Somebody is playing football, and to win in football, you have to score a lot of goals. Now, he is not bothered about scoring goals. He just goes around, kicks people, punches people here. Does that matter? Or he runs up and down the field 100 times without scoring a goal. Is that going to be a measurement for his winning for football? No. You can do anything you want, but the way you're going to win football is if you score goals. It's the same with life. Gurbani tells us you do whatever you want. But this is the message from God saying that you want to win. This is how it is. So what was winning for Baba Deep Singh Ji? Think about it. What was real winning for Pai Taru Singh Ji? What was real winning for Pai Mani Singh Ji? What was real winning for Chote Sahibzade? And what's the meaning for you winning? What's the meaning of winning for you and me? Sad, isn't it? The difference. We are so far away from the definition of real winning. What was the definition of winning for Baba Buddha Ji? When Baba Buddha Ji was going, he asked Guru Hargobind Pacha ki Guru Sahib, ek kirpa karni, main maafi chahna ki aaj thodi zyada Angrezi boli hai. That is why I said sometimes you don't know who is sitting in front of you. In the Sangat, you know exactly who is sitting, so you know which language to use. And to change when needed. मेरे सामने उन सारे अंग्रेजी बोलने वाले बैठे हुए हैं जिन्होंने मैं देख रहा हूं मेरे सामने. So that is why I am speaking English. बाबा बुड्ढा जी ਜਦੋਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਨੀ that I want my end ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੱਟਾਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੋਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਅਖੀਰਲਾ ਸਵਾਸ ਲਵਾਂ. For Baba Buddha Ji that was winning. For Baba Buddha Ji that was winning to be connected to the Guru. And ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੁਰੂ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਾਵਾਂ. ਐਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਬਾਬਾ ਬੁੱਢਾ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਅੰਤ ਸਮਾਂ ਆਇਆ ਨਾ, ਅਖੀਰਲੇ ਸਵਾਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦੇ ਗੋਦੀ ਚ ਲਈ, ਤੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ came outside to the ਸੰਗਤ and says, ਵਧਾਈਆਂ 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 ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਸੰਗਤ ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਕਿ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, ਬਾਬਾ ਬੁੱਢਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਸਵਾਸ ਤਿਆਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ। that oh Guru Sahib, you are saying congratulations on Baba Buddha ji's death। and ਪਤਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਆਖਿਆ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਾਬਾ ਬੁੱਢਾ ਜੀ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ, because ਬਾਬਾ ਬੁੱਢਾ ਜੀ won the game of life। Oh, let's finish this today. Let's finish this with a few questions. First question, do you want real wins or do you want temporary wins? ਇਹ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ, how many wins have I had in life before? How many of those wins really matter today? Somebody wants to marry a girl. He wants it so badly and he marries her. He says he won. He has won. After 30 years of life, if you ask him, have your wins finished? He says, no, I've got a long list of wins. There are a lot of things that I want to win. So a lot of these wins that we talk about, firstly, they are temporary and they are not real wins. Guru Sahib is talking about a permanent win. So let's finish by asking ourselves a question. Do I want to win the game of life? If I want to win the game of life, then I have to listen to what Kabir Sahib said. Kabir Sahib says that je tu jitna na, ye zindagi di baaji jitni hai, then you have to connect to God. You have to do the right things. I talked about food that day, food for the body and food for the soul. If some of you remember, I said not every tasty food is good for your body. Just like that, your soul has food as well. Not everything you see, not everything you hear, not everything you talk, not everything your senses feel is good for your soul. Before you sleep today, let's do this exercise. I would love your feedback on this session today. You can send me private messages if you like. I'd like to know what you think winning is. And did your perspective of winning change after listening to what Guru Sahib says about winning is? Or you still feel that I have a lot of time? Some of us who listen to something and say, tomorrow morning I'm going to get up at 3 o'clock. One day and that's it. And that's it. You know why? You know, there's something called wanting something and there's something called desiring something. We want a lot of things, but we don't desire them. How do you know the difference? When you desire something, you go all out to make it happen. When you want it, it is just remains a want. Oh, before we go to sleep tonight, spend about, a lot of us go to sleep. Sometimes some people, even at 2 o'clock in the morning, they go to sleep looking at WhatsApps and all that. But if possible, if you can make an exception today, before you go to sleep, talk to yourself and ask yourself, what was the real winning for Baba Deep Singh Ji? Why? What was real winning for Bhai Mani Singh Ji? Why did he do what he did? What was real winning for Chote Sahibzade? You think they didn't like life? You think they didn't like to live? Because they knew the real definition of winning. Now, what is the definition of winning that you want to have in your life? ਚੂਹੇ ਆਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕੁੱਤੇ ਆਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਬਿੱਲੀਆਂ ਆਂਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਰਦੇ ਨੇ. Do you want to just come? Do all of us just want to come, live like animals, without knowing the definition of winning. You talk to a dog, winning for him means having a beautiful piece of meat or bone to eat at that point of time and he's happy. That's winning for him. Aao Sadhguru Kirpa Kar. So spend your time tonight asking yourself, what is winning for you? Is it still the same for you? Or did you get a perspective, a new perspective that you would want to consider? Sadhguru Kirpa Kar. When the time comes, you will not get a letter, postman coming to your house saying that you're going to die at such a time. No, it just happens. And we will not get a chance. So as I said before, only the dying man knows the real definition of what real winning is.